Ever feel like video creation is a full-time job? The scripting, the editing, the endless tweaking. What if you could get that time back? What if your computer could do the heavy lifting? Welcome to my channel. It's me, that internet guy, and I'm here to show you that the future of content creation isn't just coming. It's already here. And it's powered by one incredible tool, artificial intelligence. On this channel, we dive deep. We're not just scratching the surface. We'll explore how to instantly generate a complete video script from a single idea. Transform that script into a full video with realistic AI voiceovers and automatic subtitles. Breathe new life into old photos by colorizing, restoring, and even animating them in 3D. Effortlessly edit by just typing, adding, removing, or rearranging scenes with text-based editing. And that's just the beginning. Imagine taking a product URL and turning it into a slick promotional video in minutes. Removing any object or person from a video or image with a single click. Generating a custom, royalty-free soundtrack for any mood. Swapping backgrounds, outfits, or even hairstyles without a green screen or a Photoshop degree. This isn't magic, it's AI, and my goal is to be your guide. I'll bring you weekly tutorials, deep dives, and real-world projects where we use these tools to create amazing content from start to finish. Whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, a storyteller, or just someone who loves creating cool stuff, this channel is for you. We're going to learn, experiment, and push the boundaries of what's possible together. So if you're ready to work smarter, create faster, and unleash your creativity, you're in the right place. Like and subscribe so you don't miss a single tutorial. Let's build something incredible. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.